Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting both devices ready. Make sure your AirPods Pro and their case have charge, then open the lid so the earbuds wake. On your Samsung phone, go to Settings, tap Connections, then Bluetooth and turn it on. Once done, press and hold the Setup button on the AirPods case until the LED flashes white. This forces pairing mode. You do this now because it lets the phone discover the AirPods immediately and avoids delays from background scans. After the AirPods are visible on the Samsung list, tap the name to pair. You will see a prompt and then a status like connected for calls and audio. You should test a quick audio clip to confirm media routing. Once done, go into sound settings to adjust media volume, call audio routing, and whether to use mono or spatial audio-like features. Make sure to enable noise control modes using the AirPod stems or the Bluetooth device settings to finish, practice the controls. Press the AirPods Pro stem to toggle noise cancellation and squeeze for playback commands. This keeps you in control without the phone. If audio cuts or pairing fails, make sure Bluetooth is not overloaded with many connected devices, then forget the AirPods on Samsung and repair. If problems persist, reset the AirPods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, and then pair again. That fixed most stubborn issues for me.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.